Hi everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today's topic is macrophages and cytokines. Macrophages and cytokines. We will understand what is macrophages, what is cytokines, how they act. Okay. So, macrophages actually comes from Greek word that means macros, means large, and phagein means to eat. So macrophages are the type of white blood cells that engulf and digest pathogen. So macrophages are that engulf and digest pathogens. Okay, now they actually originate from monocytes that leaves the circulation to differentiate in different tissues. Okay, so originates monocyte. Okay, now we will see how the macrophages are formed. So the formation. Macrophages actually forms from the stem cells of bone marrow. Okay, so stem cells of bone marrow forms monoblast. Then monoblast after differentiation forms promonocyte. Okay, this promonocyte after differentiation forms the macrophages. Clear to you? Now we will see what are the types of macrophages. Okay, so what are the types? First one is that is your alveolar macrophages, okay, which is actually present in the lung alveoli. Second one is Kupffer cells, which is present in liver. Third one is microglia, which is present in central nervous system. Okay, and the fourth one is splenic macrophages, which is present in the spleen marginal zone. Okay, now we will see what are the functions. So, what are the functions? First function is destroy the bacteria by phagocytosis. Second one is activate the immune function. Okay, activate immune functions. Third one is actually phagocytose apoptotic cells or helps in the secretion of hormones like cytokines. So secretes hormones like cytokines. Okay, and helps in the tissue homeostasis. And last one is, that is, they can help in wound healing, or they have the power of wound healing and muscle regeneration. So these are the function of macrophages. Okay. Now I have told that it can secrete hormones like cytokines. There is a little bit difference between hormone and cytokines. Hormone actually act at a distance, but cytokines act locally. Okay. Now, what are the cell surface receptors which actually represents macrophages? Okay. So, kind of cell surface receptors which actually expressed by macrophages. Okay. These kind of receptors are toll-like receptor, it can be natural Kupffer cells-like receptor, or it can be integrin, and another one is Ig superfamily receptor. So these are the cell surface receptors which are expressed by macrophages. Okay. Now, what are cytokines? Okay. So we will look what are cytokines. So cytokines actually small proteins that are crucial in controlling the growth and activity of other immune system cells and blood cells. Okay. So cytokines helps in the growth of other immune cells and blood cells. Okay. Now, cytokines actually produced by macrophages, lymphocytes, and also can produce from the polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Others are endothelial cells, epithelial cells, adipocytes. So they mainly produced by macrophages and lymphocytes. Okay. Now we will see what are the type of cytokines present. Okay. So type of cytokines. The first type is known as lymphokines, which is actually secreted by lymphocytes. Second type is monokines, obviously, which is secreted by monocytes, macrophages. Third one is interleukins, which are secreted by leukocytes. Okay. And the fourth one is interferon. Okay. Interferon, which is actually secreted in response to any viral infection. Fifth one is tumor necrosis factor, or also known as TNF, which is secreted by macrophages and induces necrosis of tumor cells. Okay. And another one is chemokine, which actually affects the chemotaxis. Okay. Now we need to keep in mind that when cytokines become overactive, okay, what it happens? it actually causes the immune system to attack itself, and that leads to autoimmune disorder. So, over activation of cytokines leads to autoimmune disorders. What kind of autoimmune disorders? Do you know some names like rheumatoid arthritis, atopic dermatitis, type 1 diabetes, etc. Okay. So this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your attention.